Funny enough, I actually have this weird obsession with bags. I actually don't enjoy carrying bags, but I love the design of different bags. Sling bags, backpack, traveling bags, suitcases, all the above. But today we're talking about what is in my daily camera bag. This is the bag that I pack when I'm going out for a single day use, whether it's while traveling and I want to make sure I have all my work stuff and camera stuff with me, or if I'm just at home puttering around town, this is also the bag I'll use. This bag is the Brevity Jumper Backpack, and yes, Brevity did send me this bag, but they're not sponsoring this video, so all my opinions are my own. It's in this really awesome green color, and honestly, I didn't even ask for the green color when they sent me the bag. They just sent it to me, and green is my favorite color, so I'm really happy I got this one. It's a great, perfect, everyday pine green, apparently, is the color on their website. We'll talk more about the bag in a second. The only external thing on the bag is my Nalgene bottle. This is my everyday carry. I am team Nalgene. You might not like Nalgenes, but I feel like Nalgenes are a thing that you're either a fan of or you don't like. I'm a fan of them. I collect them. I love them. Right now I'm using this one from REI Co-op that I got down here in California, and it's my everyday water bottle. Alright, first we're going to start up top with this top compartment right here, and these are mainly just accessories that again are everyday carry that I might need. I won't use everything here, but it's a good pouch to house everything that is kind of like an accessory. First we have my AirPods Max, then we have my Pelican hardshell memory card case. This is crucial for making sure that all my memory cards are protected at all times while traveling. This thing is hard shell, so it's not going to get damaged in luggage or in backpacks while traveling around the world. Super safe, super awesome, and also really cheap. Get one of these. We have my sunglasses case. This is actually my only glasses case, so I'll swap my glasses and my sunglasses in this one case, and in here is also a cleaning cloth to wipe them down. Super easy and convenient. And then we just have some extra batteries and a charger for my Sony a7 IV, which is the camera we are filming on right now. And then finally, in this pouch, within this pouch, I just have a lip balm for when your lips get chapped, obviously while traveling with the air pressure change and all that in different parts of the world. Always key to have one on you at all times. Now this top pouch of the backpack only spans the height of half the backpack because the bottom half of the backpack is the actual camera insert or camera portion of the backpack itself, and this is how you open it. There's actually two ways. On the front, you can see that there's a side access to this camera insert. Great for when you have the backpack on. You can swing this around and access your camera at all times, or my preferred way, when you have the backpack laying down flat like this, you can simply unzip and access it this way. Now in here, I'll start with the one thing that's actually missing, which is my camera, the Sony a7 IV. It always goes in here with either the Tamron 28-75, also on the camera right now, or the other lens that I have in here, which is the Yongnuo 18mm f1.8 prime lens. What else do we got? I have a small Rode video mic. This is good for when my DJI mics don't work, to use as a backup mic when my DJI mics either die or are not applicable for the situation. This is a great everyday carry around mic. I usually carry a couple filters with me. One of them is a circular polarizer, and the other one is a variable ND. This is an ND2 to 400. I'll use this a lot on bright sunny days at the beach, and I'll use the circular polarizer a lot when shooting things like cars or other shiny objects to make sure all the reflections are even keel. Like I briefly mentioned, I also carry the DJI mic set. These are the lav mics by DJI. I swear by these. They are the best thing in my camera kit. So easy to use, so easy to charge, plug and play, they never fail, they are fantastic. And then the newest addition to my camera bag, this is my film camera. It is the Canon 1N. I have an unboxing video for this camera on my channel, so check that out up here, but the Canon 1N is a 35mm film camera that I have paired with the Canon EF 50mm f1.8 or the Nifty 50. And that's pretty much it for the actual camera insert portion, but there is also a front pouch in front of that camera portion, which again just houses some really small accessories. Usually I'll keep paperwork in here. Yep, more paperwork, more plastic. I'll usually have a lighter in here for those situations, and most importantly, in this front pouch, I have an AirTag. I actually bought my first set of AirTags because I lost my passport, and ever since then, I vowed to buy AirTags as a way to make sure that nothing ever goes misplaced again, and so far, so good, knock on wood, but I have an AirTag in every single bag that I own, every single luggage, and every single bag, including this backpack. And then yes, this backpack does have a laptop sleeve, and it does fit my 14-inch 8-inch M1 MacBook Pro, which is my computer of choice right now that I travel with. It's a great, perfect size, everyday workhorse laptop. I swear by it. The M1 Pro does everything I need it to do with all the necessary programs like Premiere, Lightroom, Photoshop, all the above. It is just an absolute workhorse. Could I upgrade? Could I get M3? Of course, but honestly, for the money, the M1 Pro is still the best bang for your buck. Okay, 2 quick things about this backpack. Number 1, my favorite feature of any backpack, especially ones that you travel with, is the luggage sleeve. This guy right here. This is the feature that attaches onto the handlebars of a luggage like this. So when you run through the airport to catch your plane, you can attach it just like that and not worry about it hurting your back through the long walks to your gate at the airport. And the other kind of hidden feature is these 2 straps underneath. These are really cool because they can hold a variety of things like a small tripod if you're hiking, for example, or a yoga mat if you're using it as a day bag to go out and do other activities like yoga. My only criticism about this bag, which is really just in the design, is that it's not waterproof or water resistant at all because it is this cotton canvas material. Obviously, it was a design choice to make it this cotton canvas material, which I like, but it's not very weatherproof at all. So if I do get caught in the rain, I have to make sure to also keep the whole bag itself covered underneath my jacket or my sweater. Otherwise, water will get through this, and that's just obviously not good for any of the stuff that's inside. And that's it. That's everything that's in my everyday camera backpack. If you guys like this video, please like it down below. Do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment with what other videos you want to see more of. Until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.